So the first hit did 51 damage and 49 hit points are left. You can see the impact here. That was at 5 meters. And now I'm shooting at 50 meters. This shot did 45 damage, 55 hit points left. You can see the impact up here. Now I'm shooting at 100 meters. Okay, now I can see the impact here. And the damage again is 45. Now I'm going to shoot at 200 meters. I'll put the scope on so it's easy to hit. Okay, impact is here, and 68 points left, 32 damage. Now I'm shooting at 300 meters. Okay, impact here. Now hit points left, 71, damage 29. And now we're shooting at 400 meters. And you can see the impact here. And hit points left 76, damage 24. Okay, let's see. So the impact is in the lower back. 90 damage, 10 hit points. 90 hit points, 10 damage. Now what you just saw on the test are the most common numbers that come out of it, because it appears there's always extremely high probability of a deterministic damage value coming out. Like at a certain distance, it's always 30 hit points damage through the vest on a torso hit. But sometimes you get variations in it where it's 50 hit points damage. And that's an extremely rare thing, and I think that's the manifestation of the specific ballistic features of mushrooming, or I think there were two other ones which I forgot, like ballistic features of what happens on impact. And this was tested, and some of the outliers I didn't show you in the video, because sometimes I had to test up to 5 to 10 to 15 times on the same spot to see if there's variations or not, because that would make the video much too long. And what also matters is, so when a bullet impacts into a vest like that, then you only see this, well, you can only verify it with armor-piercing rounds. And some of the other weapons, it goes in, then it deflects from the original trajectory and comes out the other side. And I think sometimes it can come out, when it impacts here, it can come out of the body at this side. But I think the game only shows exit decals on body armor. It doesn't show them on character side right now, I think. Which can explain when sometimes when you hit the edge of the body armor, you still see a blood decal, but it does like only half the damage of what you would expect it to. That's, I think, the bullet exiting the torso at the earlier time. And I think the damage model in this game tracks how much distance is traveled through a body part to determine how much damage is done.